Yo, what's going on? My name is Reese, aka The Phenomenal One, and you just clicked on one of my very first YouTube videos, so... Ta-da! I don't know what that was, but, we're going to roll with it. Uh, uh, I am mainly a gamer. I game on Twitch, so the link will be down below if you ever want to swing by and see what it's all about. But, yeah, this will be my very first unboxing video. I'll probably be doing more of these in the future, because I am interested in doing these kind of videos, and I personally like watching them myself. So what I'll be unboxing in the near future will be like figurines, pops, collectibles, Pokemon cards, everything in between. But today's video is going to be primarily for shoes. I've really I can't think of the word. Fell in love. We'll go with fell in love. Why is my hand so white? I need to sort that out because I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. I've really found my love for shoes in the past few years, and more so collectible shoes. I don't have many, but the ones I have the Dragon Ball Z Majin Buu and Vegeta. Sorry, not Trunks. I said that before, but it wasn't Trunks. So yeah, Majin Buu and Vegeta Dragon Ball Z Adidas collection. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the rest because they sold out like they went like wildfires. It was just gone. Couldn't see any. So, and I'm not willing to pay an extortionate amount for the Goku ones, which when I last looked was selling for about £500 in the UK. So, yeah. As I said, so today's thing that I'm unboxing is a pair of shoes, but not any boring shoe. No, no, no. This one is the Hot Ones collaboration with Reebok. I was going to say Adidas again. Don't know why, but it's with Reebok. I'm a real big fan of Hot Ones. An amazing, amazing show. It's something that I actually sit down and watch with my partner when we're like eating. And I really like it. I really like the brand. I like the concept of the show. And then from there, I was just scrolling through Twitter and I saw that he announced that they were doing a collaboration. I was like, damn, dude, I need to see if these are in the UK. And luckily enough, with collaboration shoes, you don't really get to see them many. If it's a big American brand, you don't see them transition to the UK, at least for like a year or two, if they even do. But these ones, I'm very excited for. Really, really excited for, because I like Hot Ones and like my shoes. So, without doubt, I'm going to get the box and I'm going to show you on screen. It's so fucking cool. So, the original design on the front, you got the Hot Ones logo with the Reebok sign in it as well. I think it's really cool because they stuck with the original artwork of Hot Ones. Really enjoy that. Really, really like it. And then, if you work your way down, you got some hot wings and milk. And then on the bottom, there's more, like some splodges of sauce and milk again. I really like that. Really like that design. So I'm going to open up the shoes. This is going to be like my very first time opening them. So, right, let's get a little look in. Oh, sorry, one last thing. My stupid ass. I've noticed they got the Scoville unit for the sauce, like depending on the heat. And I think that's really cool. I like that. I like that idea. It's subtle details that really make a collectible box of shoes really, really special, in my opinion. So, okay. Okay. So already, I'm gonna have to stop. I don't think you're gonna be able to pick it up on the camera. But on the inside of the lining, there's chicken wings. It's really hard to pick up, but it's fucking so cool. It's so cool. I love it. Sorry, pardon my language. Shouldn't swear. For my first video. Okay. Nice. So here's the initial shoe. So as you can see, has the Scoville units on the side, so working its way up to the hottest. On the back, you got the Hot Ones logo again. because they need that branding logo on their baby. Don't know what that was. I'm not going to do that again. And then on the tongue of the shoe, you've got the actual Scoville unit, so showing how hot these ones are supposed to be. So this shoe theoretically is like a medium heat. Oh, that's really cool. I didn't see this a minute ago. Well, I didn't even see it when they announced it. So on the inside of the shoe, on the sole, they have the Hot Ones logo. I really like that. Once again, it's subtle little details like that that make a shoe feel limited edition. I know it sounds very bizarre, but I like the little details. The finer details in life are great. So seeing stuff like that and like the Scoville units and then the logo on the back really make a shoe. So this is the best part of the shoe, personally for me. This was the one that broke it for me. I was like, right, I'm gonna have to get these ones. Because there was another 2 pairs and one sold out, unfortunately, but the other one I wasn't too sure on if I liked or not. But this one was like, I like these. So, on the bottom of the shoe, you got some chicken wings. So, I really like this. Like, I know it's people are going to be like, what the fuck? People will probably think you're sitting in or standing in like poo. Crap. I don't know. But I like the idea of the chicken wings. Once again, collaborating that with the shoe really makes it stand out. It's the small details that add so much to a shoe. And I really like it. This is my first ever pair of Reeboks as well. So I've not worn Reebok before. I'm really, really interested to see what they feel like on my feet. Because personally, shoes that I wear at the moment, I'm wearing Pumas. I'm really, really big into my Pumas at the moment. And I like Nike as well. Adidas I used to like a little bit, but not as much as I did once before. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, this is one take. There's no cuts or anything like that. So if there's little stumbles or stutters, I do apologise. Bear with me. When I learn to edit, there'll be more flowy. Like that. See? That's snazzy. But if you enjoyed the video, please feel free to leave a like, share it amongst your friends, leave a little comment saying, oh man, I love Hot Ones. Or, hey, you have a big forehead, because I hear that a lot on Twitch. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said, I don't know when my next video is going to be out. I'm just trying to do little ones at the moment. But yeah, until next time, my name is Reese, aka The Phenomenal One. It's been a pleasure. Hopefully see you next time. Peace.